Hi, my name is Bob. I am the product manager in this company. I take care for products production purchase. Um, so sometimes I need to introduce our products to our customers. So today we have a KSS cable tie. So the model is 450L. So this cable tie is very long. You can see the length. This is the head. This is the end. So we have everything from KSS company. It is good quality. We hope we can have some cooperation. We will check every package. We will use a very nice package to send to your checking. So if you have any questions, any quality questions, we will be responsible. We try to let you be no worry about the quality and the others. At the same time, for the shipment, we will send some other samples along with this package. So you will be helpful. You will see the other samples. Okay, thank you so much for the time. I hope you have a good day. Bye.